it's Miss Carlye, and I'm going to show you today how to make a cork sailboat. So you're going to see that in your pack you're going to have 3 corks, 1 wooden skewer, 2 rubber bands, a red piece of paper, and a piece of foam. So the first thing you're going to do is we are going to make the sail. So you're going to take your foam and we're going to kind of make it into more of a sail shape. So what we're going to do is we want it to be more narrow on the top and wide in the bottom. So we're going to just cut like that and then cut like this, kind of like a shape like that. All right, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our skewer and we are going to poke a hole through the top of the foam. So be careful when you poke through so that you don't stab yourself. Okay, so now it's through. Now we're going to slide it through the hole, and we are going to make another hole here at the bottom. So you're going to want to stab through again like that, and there we go. Now we have a sail. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a flag for the sail. So you take your red piece of paper and we're going to make a triangle. Okay, and it doesn't have to be a big triangle at all. So here we go, a sail. So now you're going to take your tape. You could also glue it, but it might take a longer time to dry if you use glue. So we're going to put tape on the flat end of our sail, and then we are going to tape it to the top of our wooden skewer. Oops. So, and then wrap the tape around. And then if you have some tape on the top here, past the skewer, you can just cut that right off. There you go, cut it right off. All right. So, there we go. Now, our sail is done. So let's set that aside. Next, you're going to take your 3 corks and you are going to line them up like that. Take one of your elastic bands and wrap it around your corks. And you might need to double wrap it because you could see that this elastic is a little too big for these corks. So we are going to twist like that. It's like tying a hairband, and then wrap it around the corks again. Okay, so there's one of them, like that. All right, now you're gonna take your other elastic band and do the same exact thing, so it's extra secure. Okay, and then again, I'm going to twist it like a hair elastic and wrap it around so it's nice and tight. All right, and it might bunch your corks together, but you're not gonna want to keep it a flat line like this, because you know boats have to be nice and flat like that so it can float. All right, now we are going to take our boat and our sail and put it together. So you just take your wooden skewer and you are going to stab it into the middle cork. And you might need an adult's help because sometimes it can take a little force to get it into the cork. All right, there we go. So Now, we have our sailboat. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna get some water, maybe a bowl like this, maybe a pool, and you are going to test it. So let's see if this works. There we go. It's floating. Here, I'll get you a closer view. There you go. Look at that. It's nice and buoyant. It's floating. All right. And then you could push it like this and it will sail. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so now we have our sailboats. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you had fun and I hope you have fun with your boats. All right, have a great day.